In this video, let's overview the leading options so you can leverage each bot's unique strengths. ChatGPT from OpenAI burst onto the scene in late 2022 with remarkably human-like responses. From offering thoughtful advice to generating creative fiction, ChatGPT proves adept at lengthy, grammatically flawless responses where other chatbots stumble. This makes it uniquely suited for drafting long-form content like articles, stories, even essays for school with proper guidance on ethics. However, its impressive conversational skills do come with some downsides currently. Most notably, ChatGPT may respond inaccurately or nonsensically to certain prompts if they're ambiguous or outside its training data. Unveiled in February 2023, Bing Chat represents tech giant Microsoft's foray into conversational AI. Fully integrated into the company's Bing search engine, Bing Chat aims to combine the knowledge breadth of the internet with natural language capabilities. In practice, this means Bing Chat can respond to questions and queries with more factual accuracy than a system like ChatGPT, drawing instantly from up-to-date online resources. Ask it who won the 2022 World Series, and Bing Chat instantly replies with the correct answer. It also cites its sources, listing the web pages it compiled info from. This trustworthiness could make it very useful for research and fact-checking. However, Bing Chat does fall short of ChatGPT's eloquence and conversational flow. Its responses tend to be concise and robotic, focused on delivering direct answers rather than nuanced discussions. Microsoft is racing to improve Bing Chat's natural language capacities, but it remains early stage compared to competitors. Still, the combination of its AI smarts and integration with one of the top global search engines gives Bing Chat unique advantages that make it promising for certain applications, even as its tone and text generation capabilities require improvement. After ChatGPT's runaway success, Google quickly mobilized to launch its own conversational AI chatbot known as Bard. Revealed in February 2023, Bard represents Google's competitive answer, leveraging its unmatched resources and data from years as the world's top search engine. With those advantages, expect Bard to excel at factual accuracy and concision, aided by immediate access to constantly updated information from the web. However, details remain limited as Bard is still in very early testing. Some public demos resulted in incorrect responses, showing the technology is still unpolished. It will be some time before the full capabilities and personality of Bard take shape. Given Google's stature and datasets, it may rapidly evolve into a leading chatbot. But like any new technology, expectations should be tempered, especially as Google aims to balance release speed with principles of trustworthiness and safety. If they succeed, Bard could become a versatile AI assistant and key Google service, though it faces stiff competition from both established and emerging rivals. Developed by AI research startup Anthropic, Claude represents a philosophical alternative focused on safety, accuracy, and transparency. Claude adheres to a constitutional AI approach with built-in principles like avoiding harmful, illegal, or unethical content. When conversing with Claude, it directly acknowledges its AI nature if asked and will refuse dangerous requests. This results in more trustworthy information, though Claude intentionally limits its knowledge to curated datasets verified by humans. Some believe this careful approach is essential for advanced AI. On the other hand, Claude's conversational abilities are not as advanced as ChatGPT's eloquent prose. Responses tend to be straightforward and focus on exactly answering the question. If you seek an AI assistant to chat with naturally, Claude likely won't satisfy like ChatGPT. But for safe, honest information, Claude delivers. As AI technology continues rapidly advancing, Anthropic's stance shows one path forward, balancing ethics and capabilities. Alexa is the conversational AI assistant developed by Amazon and built into Echo's smart speakers and other devices. Having been around for years, Alexa represents one of the more mature and widely adopted chatbot technologies. Alexa's primary use cases revolve around voice-based digital assistant capabilities, like controlling smart home devices, setting timers and alarms, playing music or audiobooks, getting news updates, and basic web searches. For these focused domains, Alexa performs reliably and demonstrates strong natural language understanding, especially compared to earlier generation voice AIs. However, Alexa has significant limitations when it comes to general conversational ability. While useful for simple voice commands, it cannot maintain extended back and forth dialogues, drill deeply into complex topics, or generate original text content. Alexa is built for functionality over fluid chit-chat. Its strengths lie more in executing tasks than eloquent discussion. For an AI companion to chat casually with, Alexa lacks the advanced natural language skills of systems like ChatGPT. But as a versatile, hands-free digital assistant, Alexa has proven value in households worldwide. In summary, choose the right chatbot for your needs. Blend them together to maximize strengths.